I heat the condensed milk in the mixer, and that's the secret that the confectioners don't want you to know about. In the mixer container, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of Emulsifier, and now just leave beating very well, until doubled in size. That's the perfect point. Our cake topping is ready. And look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. A super fast, easy and a delicious recipe. Look how beautiful this texture looks. Here I'm going to take it out and move on to a pastry bag. After that, I will put the bake to test the cover and look how wonderful it was. Perfect for doing at home. Spending very little. You can model the way you want, and the taste is delicious. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching!